So it gives me a lot of movability and I don't break a sweat in this shirt. It hugs your body so nicely and it makes your muscles look super cool. So this is the scenario during autumn, winter and early spring. I'm here in the home gym, it's pretty chilly in here, I wear my sweater, I take my barbell, do whatever exercise that I want and need to do, boom, only to realize that I'm breaking up a sweat just mid-set. When I finished, I'm like, boo, it's way too hot in here. So I take off my shirt only to realize 30 seconds into my rest period that I'm way too cold right now. In comes a product that I came across through the Instagrams, and more on that later, is RYSY. So basically, you take this shirt, and you're good to go. So this shirt, it's called the Ghost Fiber 2. Now, this thing is made out of merino wool. And before I ever saw this product, I did not know about merino wool. So basically, merino wool feels like a second skin on your body, and it really thermoregulates very nicely. And I'm not saying this because this is a sponsored video, because indeed this is a sponsored video, but still an honest review, more on that later. I'm saying this because I feel very good in this shirt. It gives me like a second skin, and it's not really thick either. So it gives me a lot of movability, and I don't break a sweat in this shirt. I want to go so far, and I even dub the sentence, this feels comfortably cold. What do I mean with that? Like, I'm not super hot, I'm not sweating, but I also don't feel super cold. It's like just a good balance, but more to the cold side. And I feel like when I'm doing my exercise, boom, I'm not hit with these hot flashes. Boom. Now, I hear you say merino wool. After investigating, I saw that this is something that's very frail. So if you come into contact with a rough barbell, this will not last for long. Now, that's why they thought about this and they put in some Cordura nylon. And that's basically military grade nylon that they put into these fibers in order to reinforce that. And we're going to test that out in this video because we need to be sure about that. Now, how do I came across this product? I saw it on an ad on Instagram. I thought, hey, that would be a very cool rash guard. But turns out this is not a rash guard. It's basically a shirt for everyday life. And it's also going to keep you warm and regulates the temperature for you. I reached out to that company and I said, hey, can we do something? Can we use this for the home gym? And basically, they sent me this product to test out for you guys, and I wanted to make a video about it. I needed to make a video about it, but I also want to make a video about it because I actually think that it feels super nice. It hugs my body very well. It feels like it's made for me to move and to be active, and that is what I think is so nice about it. Now, I also hope that it's durable because I want to test it with some sandbags, with some barbells that are going to like move against this, and we're going to see how well it fares. But I can already say it feels absolutely amazing. Maybe a longer sleeve would be nice because I feel like my arms are feeling a little bit more cold.
We just launched, let's say, a couple of weeks ago, and I already get a lot of requests for a long sleeve. That would be the next product.
Around my body, there's like some glow to it. It feels like I'm glowing, and that's just a super nice feeling. So yeah, that's why I also want to share this one with you guys. Now, next to feeling very well, I also think it looks awesome, especially if you're lifting. It hugs your body so nicely and it makes your muscles look super cool. So that's definitely an added bonus for my gym bros here.
We didn't just make a normal size chart where you have to measure yourself, which nobody ever does. And they think, oh, usually I wear a large, so I'm going to order a large. But this is not the usual large. So to be sure, we actually made like a table where you can look for yourself based on your body length and weight, which size would be best for you. If you doubt, you can still choose a lower one if you want it to be tight. And if it doesn't fit, you can return for free and we'll send you a different size or send you a refund if that's what you want.
Now, let's test this one out when we're using the barbell, because obviously, and I know just doing a test will not give the definitive answer if this is going to last a long time, because this shirt still costs around 55 euros, which is not a lot for merino wool, but it is a lot for a t-shirt. So we have to weigh that and take that into consideration. When I'm doing, for example, this Zercher squat, my body is hitting the knurling, and this could potentially just like roughen up the t-shirt. I also like to do weighted chin-ups, and for that I use my trusty dip belt. And even the dip belt here in front of my body, that chain is going to come into contact, boom, with the shirt and potentially can make some holes in it. Now, that's also the case with cotton shirts, and it definitely makes some holes in cotton shirts, but we have to be wary of that as well. Now, as it comes to maintenance of this shirt, it's very specific and it's very important that you follow the instructions, otherwise you're definitely going to ruin the shirt. Now, the way you do that is you treat it like any other wool product. If you machine wash it cold on a gentle cycle, typically the wool cycle, and then use a mild detergent, no bleach or fabric softeners, tumble dry on low, and you have to lay it flat in order to dry. And that laying flat is because otherwise the moisture will stay in the shirt, and when you hang it, it will like stretch out the shirt, which is not what we want. Now, I did do an interview with the owner of this, and we had a great conversation. Now, they really had some view for details, like the stitching here. There is no seam here.
If you wear this outdoor and you're wearing a backpack, you don't have the seam on your shoulder, which is usually where the straps of the backpack sit, and which can cause irritation. So that's why we chose for a different cut. So here's no seam that will irritate your shoulders one day. Also, the seams itself are actually flat lock seams. They are not like the usual seams that you see in most t-shirts, which are usually with thicker, and therefore they will cause no irritation. That's actually the main reason why we did it, to minimize any stress or irritation on the body when wearing this.
Even if we're using a weight vest, for example, in the home gym setting, this seam here, because there is none, won't be like scratching up your shoulder. Very nice. This shirt is made to go outdoors, to go for rocking or whatever, but I think in a home gym setting this also has its place, because we're active, we're throwing things around, and we still want to feel comfortable, we still want to be good, and that's why I think this is a very good shirt for that. Let's take the sandbag and let's throw some sandbags with this to see how it feels and how it performs, and if we damage the shirt or not, and I hope we don't. So basically what's also nice about this shirt is that it does not require you to wash it that often, which also helps with longevity.
Years ago, I discovered merino wool, and I didn't know until I bought one that it's antibacterial. So sweat only smells when it's infested with bacteria, but those merino shirts never smell, or almost never smell.
Also, when you sweat, it just releases the sweat very gradually, so you don't cool off that fast. And because it won't smell, it won't stink, and I'm not really that much of a sweater, that means I can go to the gym, wear this one, or work out, and then just go about my day wearing the same shirt, and I don't have to change. Now, I'm obviously not using this to do high intensity cardio or something, but if you're just lifting, you can just use that, wear the shirt, and then just go on about your day and just feel fine and don't even smell. Now, what's better about this is even after a day of just wearing it all the time, you can hang it up and air it out, and the next day it will just smell like it came out of the closet. So, very nice, and I must be honest with you guys, I didn't wash this thing for like 4 full days of wearing, and it does not smell. It does not smell of sweat at all. So all I did was I wore it, I aired it out, I wore it like 2-3 days later, and now this is like 3 weeks later and I still wear it. I haven't gone about washing it because yes, you have to wash it with delicate products, but I don't have delicate products, so I would have to wash this separately. So that's why I kept pushing it off. But basically, you don't need to wash this very often, and that is something that I like. Yeah, so overall, I think this is a very good product. This is something that I really stand behind, and this is really something that I would encourage to you guys if you're interested in said product. Now, there will be a code, hopefully something with Barrookie in there, but it will be the first thing in the description, so stay tuned for that. And overall, I give this a solid 8 out of 10. I'm still hesitant about how well it will wear over time, because in the home gym setting, sometimes there are some abrasive material here that can possibly damage the shirt. So we'll have to see how that goes, and probably going to let you know in the pinned comment if I see something that I don't like, and if you need to be updated about this. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Thanks to RYSY for providing this shirt, and thanks for introducing me to merino wool, because I think this is something more people should know about. It's very good. It feels so amazing, and I just feel so buff because this thing is hugging my body, and it's just cool. So yeah, I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!